Kelsey, Fullerton Student Organizations. My name is Serena and I work at Student Life and Leadership. And as you may already know, Discoverfest Fall 2020 is going to look a lot different from previous years of tabling on campus for 2 days. But just because we're all stuck at home does not mean that the event has to stop. Student Life and Leadership will be hosting a digital Discoverfest for the Fall 2020 semester. We'll be collecting videos from our student organizations and showcasing them on our YouTube channel. These videos will be featured on playlists based on organization categories, but if you're looking for more information about that, please check out the links in the description box below. In this video, we're just going to go over how to create a short and concise video for your student organization to share with prospective members, students, and the campus community. These commercials will be for our digital Discoverfest, but student organizations can also feature them on their Titan Link profiles. Before we even go into the instructions, I would just like to mention that we do ask student organizations to keep their videos timeless. That means refrain from using terms like last month or last year, or using any specific dates or times in your videos. This way, we can use your videos in the future. So what we're really asking from our student organizations is to send us a video that highlights your student organizations so that people who are not familiar with it can get to know you, know what you do, and know who you are. But now that I have that out of the way, let's move into the instructions. Number 1, your video can only be 30 to 90 seconds long. Remember, we have over 300 student organizations on campus. That's a lot, so please keep your videos short and within the time limit. Also, consider who your audience is going to be. Remember, student organizations can only select one category to be featured in, so really think about who you want to appeal to when making your video. This is your elevator pitch, so pinpoint key information that you want to share about your organizations in this video. This can be a mini description about your student organization, what type of commitment level you're asking for, your values, events or general interests, or any accomplishments and recognition your organization may have received in the past. You do not have to cover all these topics, but choose a few, use your time wisely, and get your message through. Number 2, have at least one representative from your student organization give, record, and submit your pitch. This doesn't mean that only this one person will do all these things, but as a group of officers, collaborate to develop and edit a script, and then delegate tasks of who will be filming, who will be editing, and who will be submitting your video. Here are some filming tips. You can record your videos using Zoom, your laptop, your smartphone, a camera, any recording device to create your video. Just a friendly reminder, if you're using your smartphone, please film horizontally or in landscape. So we're asking you not to film like this or like this, but like this, so we can avoid having those black bars when we upload your video to YouTube. You could film like this in selfie mode, but we do recommend having someone hold the camera for you. If you can, get a tripod or ask a buddy to film you for your video, or you can be like me and balance your smartphone onto your laptop using your pop socket. Anything will do, it just gives you more freedom to move around. Number 3, get creative. If you're using Zoom, make your own Zoom backgrounds or include Zoom backgrounds in your video. If you can, have other people in your organizations record different parts of the script and then combine them together. And if you're nervous to be on camera, you can also use PowerPoint. Create a slideshow and do a voiceover. This way, you're not necessarily showing your face, but you have the opportunity to show pictures of your organizations, of past events, and all the things that you have done in the past. Lastly, if you have someone in your organization who has editing capabilities and you're making a production out of your video, please add captions to your videos. If you can, our office will, but we want to make sure that these videos are accessible to all. Once you're done editing and you're ready to submit your video, you'll be uploading your video to your CSU student Dropbox account and pasting the link for your video in this Discoverfest video submission form on Titan Link. For links to that form, please check out the description box below. But before you even submit your video, please make sure that you have others check your video for quality, any additional edits, before submitting it to Student Life and Leadership. Well, that's all for our video today. And if you have any questions or if you're looking for more detailed information, please check out the links in the description box below. Good luck filming, and I hope everyone has a great Discoverfest. Bye!